Hey everybody, I'm Athar.
And I'm Melvin.
We are the students of Roots Country School.
And currently, Roots Country School is hosting an inter-house athletics meet 2026.
We started this event by March past, Mashal Prajwalan and the oath-taking ceremony of the participants.
After the ceremonies, participants participated in many events like track events, high jump, and many more.
Students and the participants gave their 100% in contributing for their houses to make their houses proud of them. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I wanted to ask a question, may I?
Yes, please.
Sir, how does sportsmanship leads to a positive environment in school?
See, healthy body will lead to healthy minds. And I believe it's very important to be athletic. It is very important to be physically fit. And we've seen it in the past also, the good players are doing really good in future life also. So I believe physical fitness is equally important, and this leads to intellectual development as well.
And sir, how does Roots Country School promote sportsmanship?
We have a lot of sporting activities. As you can see that you have around 15 different instructors for different sporting activities, and we've been doing it for last 23 years now, and our students are doing wonderful in sports. As you must be knowing that this time our boxers did very well. They won 5 national awards, and now they'll be going for an international boxing events. And more than anything, our karate students this year are going to Japan as well for karate exposure also. So a lot of activities are happening, a lot of infrastructure is getting ready. So we have all the diverse sports, and when it comes to indoor sports or outdoor sports, we are doing, our students are doing wonderful in it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
How has participating in sports make you a better student?
Participating in sports have made me a better student like that. It has increased my confidence and my concentration and my physical fitness. And also in today's sports meets, I was in 400 meter and I won a bronze medal, and today I am happy. That's why the participating in the sports meet make me a better student.
That's really good for you. We all appreciate you for all your hard work you have done. Thank you for your time.
Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Arav and I'm the head boy of the school.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can.
Okay, do you think winning is more important than learning?
Definitely no, I believe that learning is more important than winning, because you can only win once you've learned, and you've learned how to fail multiple times. And I believe that you can only appreciate the feeling of winning once you've learned many things like failure and the hard work you put behind it. And once a person told me that the full form of fail, the word FAIL, is first attempt in learning. Thank you.
Thank you.
हाय जैस्मिन, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. क्या मैं आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकती हूँ?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
आज के प्रदर्शन में आपको कौन सा पल सबसे ज़्यादा याद रहेगा?
कि मैं पहली बार फर्स्ट आई.
जीतने के बाद आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
हॉनेस्ट आंसर दूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है, क्योंकि पहली बार हुआ है ऐसा.
और जैसे कि आप बहुत डेडिकेट लग रहे थे, डेडिकेशन से आप भाग रहे थे, तो इसके पीछे आपका बिगेस्ट सपोर्टर कौन था?
बिगेस्ट सपोर्टर्स मेरे मम्मी पापा और हमारे हाउस मिस्ट्रेस पूजा रावत मैम और मेरे कुछ दोस्त जैसे कि योगेश, माही, मनरीत.
थैंक यू.
वेलकम.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन शेयरिंग, वे आप फाइनल में सेलेक्ट हो गए हो.
थैंक यू.
तो आपसे अब मैं कुछ सवाल पूछने जा रहा हूँ. तो सबसे पहले आप ये बताओ, आपको कैसा लग रहा है फाइनल में सेलेक्ट होके?
फाइनल में तो अच्छा लग रहा है. पहले उम्मीद तो नहीं था फाइनल में जाने का, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को.
तो अब आपकी क्या उम्मीद है फाइनल में?
मेडल की तो उम्मीद है, बट थोड़ा हैमस्ट्रिंग खींच गया है मेरा, तो उस वजह से अभी देखेंगे, अपना पूरा जान लगाएंगे, 100% देंगे हम.
अच्छा, आपसे मैं एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ कि जब आप वहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे खड़े थे और रेस स्टार्ट होने का, विसल होने का इंतज़ार कर रहे थे, तो आपके दिमाग में उस टाइम क्या चल रहा था?
दिमाग में चल रहा था कि जो मेरे साथ जो 3 लेन और थे, उनमें सारे स्प्रिंटर्स और रनर्स थे अच्छे, जैसे कि वॉरियर हाउस के, विक्टर हाउस के, कुशेर हाउस के, सारे अच्छे रनर्स थे. उनमें मैं अकेला मोटा सा तो मुझे लग रहा था कि कम्पीट तो कर दूंगा मैं, बट मुझे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी कि मैं फ़र्स्ट आ जाऊँगा, बट अपने से पूरा बेस्ट देता तो फर्स्ट आ गया था मैं.
तो आज आपने जो भी करा, आपने जितनी भी रेसेस वगैरह करी, आप जिसमें भी फर्स्ट है, सेकंड है, तो आपकी आज की सबसे बेस्ट मेमोरी क्या रही?
बेस्ट मेमोरी तो मेरे लिए खुद का रेस नहीं है, मेरे लिए मेरा अभी तक तो बना नहीं, क्योंकि अभी बहुत सारे इवेंट्स बचे हुए हैं। मेरे लिए एज अ हाउस कैप्टन मेरे लिए सबसे अच्छा जो चीज़ होगा, जो एक यूनिटी के साथ चलना और हमारे सारे बच्चों के साथ जो मेडल्स हमने इकट्ठे करना है, उसके लिए मैं सबसे अच्छा मेरा वो मानेगा।
और जैसे पायनियर हाउस के बच्चों के लिए आप एक आइडल हो, उनके लिए आप हमारे कैप्टन हो, हमारे लीडर हो, तो आप हमारे हाउस के बच्चों को मोटिवेट कैसे करोगे कि वो भी आपकी तरह परफॉर्म करें?
मोटिवेट करने के लिए सबसे पहले खुद बेस्ट बनो, उसके बाद तुम मोटिवेट कर सकते हो अच्छे से। खुद अगर अच्छे से करोगे कुछ भी तो बच्चे उससे सीखेंगे कि सिंगिंग भाई की तरह करना है ऐसे। जैसे कोई भी अच्छा चीज़, जैसे कि बहुत सारे अच्छे एथलीट्स है, कबीर है, सिंगे है, तो उनसे भी सीखते हैं बच्चे। तो कुछ चीज़ें में मैं भी बेस्ट हूँ, तो उनमें बच्चे सीखना चाहते हैं मेरे से। तो पहले खुद बेस्ट बनो, उसके बाद दूसरों को वो करो, इंस्पायर करो।
थैंक यू सो मच शेयरिंग।
Hi Dee, can you tell us about yourself?
Hi Zaira and hello everybody. I am Arshita Om Mishra. I belong to the state of UP and I'm the head girl of Roots Country School.
Okay, as we all know, you're in 12th grade. It's a crucial year and also your half yearlies are approaching. So how did you manage studies and sports together?
So definitely, as we all know, this week has been very busy for all of us and 12th is the most crucial year for the academics. But for me, one thing that I have learned being in Roots Country School is how to prioritize things. अगर पढ़ने का टाइम है तो दिमाग में नहीं चलना चाहिए कितने मेडल्स आए कितने नहीं आए, और अगर मेडल्स जीतने के टाइम है तो दिमाग में नहीं चलना चाहिए कितने चैप्टर्स कवर हुए और कितने नहीं हुए. So once you start prioritizing things according to your time, it's very smooth.
Okay, and you know one lesson you'll carry from today's event?
A very nice question, because this is my last sports meet in Roots Country School, also as the head girl, so it's very memorable for me. And one lesson that I'll always remember, जो मुझे sports meet से नहीं all over भी आया है, that it is the power of progress over perfection. Your presence is important everywhere, not perfection. कहीं आप कुछ चीज़ों में अगर आपको 2 मेडल नहीं भी आते हैं, but you're present for your house, you're present there, it's enough.
Okay, and which house do you think will win today?
Obviously Victors, there's no other house in competition.
Okay, thank you so much for your time, Dee.
Thank you. So I wanted to ask how sports play an important role in a student's overall development.
Yeah, actually today sports is the main, I must say in these days, the key role sports has in the overall and holistic development of students' life. Because if sports is there, तो you can develop your whole life. एंड आपके अंदर कभी भी एक फियर नहीं आएगा, आप हमेशा कॉन्फिडेंस से भरे रहेंगे अगर आप स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छे हैं, आप स्पोर्ट्स के लिए कोशिश करते हैं. एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी दैट टुडे रूट्स कंट्री स्कूल हैज़ होस्टेड इंटर हाउस एथलेटिक मीट 2026, वेयर एज स्टूडेंट्स ने लास्ट 15 डेज से डे एंड नाइट प्रैक्टिसेस की हैं इसके लिए. मॉर्निंग 5 o'clock से उठ के लॉन्ग रन 5 किलोमीटर्स की रेसेस की हैं, लाइक प्रैक्टिसेस की हैं इन्होंने डे एंड नाइट. एंड टुडे द रिजल्ट्स आर विद अस दैट दे हैव एक्सेल इन ऑल देयर लाइफ्स फ्रॉम स्पोर्ट्स. और इस साल हमने शॉट पुट डिस्कस थ्रू एंड हाई जंप इन अ यूनिक वे, वो सारी चीज़ें इंट्रोड्यूस की हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स आर लर्निंग लॉट रिगार्डिंग स्पोर्ट्स.
All the buses.
Thank you, sir.
What support have you received from your coaches or mentors?
Firstly, I will thank Milan sir to help me to gain this opportunity in Roots Country School Sports Meet 2026, and I love to run, and Milan sir helped me a lot. I will say I'm so thankful to Milan sir.
And another question, how did you balance your emotions in between the race and after you finished the race?
My friends were calling my name, so they helped me to run more strengthful, and this helped me to gain today's second position.
So all you have done is all because of your friends' effort by cheering you and helping you run.
I think yes, and Milan sir also helped me to come on this position. I'm so thankful to my friends and Milan sir.
Thank you for your time, Gava.
What were you feeling when you had just crossed the finish line?
मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, मेरा आज तक का रिकॉर्ड है 12 सालों का. मेरा 100 मीटर का रिकॉर्ड शायद किसी ने तोड़ा नहीं है, और मैं ये रिकॉर्ड बना के रखना चाहती हूँ जब तक मैं हूँ, शायद मेरा फाइनल के टाइम तक.
तो मेरा वांगमो कॉम्पिटिटर थी, शायद मैंने उसको भी हराया, तो मुझे अच्छा लगा जब मैंने फिनिश लाइन फर्स्ट पे क्रॉस करी। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
आपका नाम?
सोनिया।
आज आपको जीत के कैसा लग रहा है?
आज मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जीत के।
और आप आगे भी खेलना चाहेंगे?
हाँ, मुझे खेलना बहुत पसंद है, मैं इस फील्ड में जाना चाहूँगी आगे खेलने के।
थैंक यू। Hi guys, can you tell us about yourselves?
Hi, I'm Aishwarya.
Hello, I'm Akshita.
And we are both ex-Rootians. We graduated with the batch of 2023 from Roots, and yeah, it's amazing to be back here, and we're excited to talk to you.
So which house are you rooting for?
So I was in Victor, and of course I'll like once a Victor, always a Victor, and I think I'm always going to be cheering for them. And sometimes I end up in fights with like everybody because I'm like, why? Victor has to win. So I'm rooting for my house, my ex-house.
I was in Pioneers, but I'm also rooting for Victor's also.
Okay, so it's a really funny story. She wanted to be in a Victor house. So the house allocation that time used to be like everybody used to stand in the same line, and it would be like, oh, Crusader, Warrior, Pioneer, Victor. So she decided to stand. She counted and she was like, oh, I'm going to come in Victor because she wanted to be in the same house as me. And she like switched places with somebody, and that person ended up going in Victor house, and she ended up coming in Pioneer. Like it was the worst decision of her entire life, and I hate her for it. But yeah, that's sad.
So guys, can you tell us about your friendship goals and friendship stories?
Oh, do you have any friends? I think I've friendship stories. We were just really, yesterday actually we were watching videos of ourselves during sports meet, and it was really cringe to watch ourselves.
And embarrassing.
Yeah, it was
very embarrassing.
Yeah, we felt like nobody really told us anything back then, but I would still choose those days over anything else in the world. We would want to go back. I think the best thing in the world coming back here is we still get to feel like we're a part of school. We get to go back to the people we were then, and I think that is, even though we were really cringe, we really miss those versions of ourselves, and we thank Roots for what we've become today and our friendship.
Okay, which sports did you used to play?
I played basketball, like a little bit of it. She was really good though. In basketball, in volleyball, in badminton, everything.
Me and volleyball was like the saddest thing you've ever seen in your life. It was not good. I loved basketball. I was a basketball captain for my house for all 4 years. I was really good at racing, so I'm really excited to see all these races. Like everybody's so fast now. I feel like my favorite thing was to race. That's my brother who's throwing stones over there. He's also in that race today, so I ended up training him for it as well. So I'm really excited to see him. I'm going to try to live through him today. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
How do you feel coming back to Roots after so long?
I mean, it was really nostalgic for me, seeing all those corridors and classes again. And I love how the school has changed a lot. I'm also a bit, grudgy, is that a word?
Jealous.
Jealous because we did not have that lower ground, वैसे वाला basketball वाला. It is so beautiful. And I tell you, मैंने जो भी 3 साल चंडीगढ़ में गुजारे हैं ना, it was literal hell. I miss this place so much. I love the trees, I love the nature, I love the everything. I love this school so much.
I think same, no matter, I've like almost been to 3 countries now, and I've traveled more than 7 in the past 2 years to like go to college and get exposure. But I think nothing can compare to what Roots Country School gives you. It is this sort of freedom to find who you really are, and it gives you the space to really shine, which I think no other place in the world can do. Everything, like I said, our friendship to everything that I am today is because of this school, and coming back feels like a privilege. I feel so privileged that I get to come back every single year, spend time here, and see these little kids who we used to like scold in volunteer duties to, clean their noses are now head boy, head girls. It's insane. And I think we're really privileged to be Rootians, and I think that'll be the best thing that's ever happened to us. Sadly, but truly that is true. Being a Rootian will be the best thing that ever happened to us.
Let's start with the rapid fire round. You ready for the challenge?
Yes.
You're nervous or excited?
A little bit nervous, but yes.
Attack or defense?
Defense.
Teamwork or individual skill?
Teamwork.
One word for today's event.
Everything.
Favorite player in the team?
Arshita Mishra.
What does winning mean to you?
everything.
Thank you.
Sir, will you please introduce yourself?
Thank you. My name is Anil Sharma. I'm the coach of Pioneer House.
So as the competition has ended, आप अपने students की performance से satisfied हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल दित्या, जिस तरह से हमारे स्टूडेंट ने किया है पाइनियर हाउस, वो काफ़ी टाइम से प्रैक्टिस चली है, जैसे सुबह 5 o'clock, 3:30 एंड इवनिंग 5 o'clock। बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं बच्चे, बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस करी है, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस उस हिसाब से उन्होंने दी भी है।